I want to talk today about some Oral-B toothbrushes. I've owned this toothbrush for a really long time. I've had no issues with it. It works great. Even the battery is still good, holding a charge. But what keeps irking me is every time I go to buy a new toothbrush, these things are $10 each. It's amazing that they can charge $10 for this simple toothbrush. So I finally decided it's time to try a generic. So here's the original toothbrush, the Oral-B, and here's one of the generics. The difference is really worth it. The Oral-Bs are $10 each. The generics are $1 each. So $10 versus $1. I just can't understand why anybody would want to pay $10 for just to have Oral-B there. These things are as equal quality to the Oral-B. They fit the toothbrush perfectly. There's no loose fit, so when you put them on, they fit nice and snug. They seem to last as long as an Oral-B for brushing. I haven't noticed any difference in them. And I just can't continue to see paying $10 just for the Oral-B name. I mean, what's the point of it when you can get these for $1 each? So this is what the packaging looks like. I picked these up on Amazon. They don't have a name, so it's just a generic Oral-B dual head toothbrush. They're great. I've had no problems with them. There's the part number, if that helps out any. And they go on fine. It's a snug fit. This is a generic one on here right now. They pop off. They do come with the colored rings, so you can color code them for the family. Alright, so here's one with a red ring on it. And they have a good snug fit when you put them on. So, I mean, it's your wallet, but I can't see paying $10 for the Oral-B name. It just makes 0 sense to be paying that much more just for the brand, when the knockoffs are, from what I can see, equal quality. There's absolutely no difference in them.